Hello my friend, how are you? So happy fall, happy autumn season. Currently that I'm filming this, it is September 27th and I'm so excited for fall to be here, and that means I want to show you fall eyeshadow palettes that I think would be perfect for autumn season. This is the Juvia's Place, the Rebel Honey palette. So with this palette you get like a pop of yellow, and then there's a yellow orange with a beautiful shimmer right here. Sleek makeup, and this is the eyeshadow palette from the I Divine series in the shade Sunset. I have to say this is like one of the oldest eyeshadow palettes I have in my collection. But I can't let go of this palette just because the shimmers are absolutely beautiful. I've used it a couple of times already, and I am so sad that they're not available in Ulta anymore, which was quite a long time ago. But you can't go wrong with Slick. Wet n Wild palette in the shade Call Me Sunshine. I do find that the matte formula is very powdery, but the shimmers are very beautiful. You could layer them up for a light look, but then you could go really bold with this yellow. ColourPop with Star Wars. This one is the C3PO. I remember I showed this to my boyfriend and he was like, this is the one that goes, oh my. And then it has it inside right here. It's so cute. And this would be the colors. Very vibrant yellows. You could see that it's just beautiful for autumn season. I haven't used this one yet, but I can't wait. This palette will probably be next for my tutorial for a fall eye look. Then I have a ColourPop Witching Hour. So this palette is perfect. You get a mix of everything. So you have like your oranges and that pop of yellow. And then right here in the bottom row, you have a chance to deepen up the look. ColourPop Whatever palette. This orange is stunning. This one is like a really beautiful orange shimmer. You could just tell it's so metallic. I just love this a lot. the glitter is really pretty. And then you get a lot of these darker fall mid-tone colors. Like this orange right here. Juvia's Place, the Saharan palette. I have used this one a couple of times and I think these shimmers are absolutely beautiful. The mattes are not powdery, which I really appreciate from Juvia's. Then you have this pop of orange and red. ColourPop Harry Potter Back to Hogwarts palette. This one I have not had a chance to use it, but oh my goodness, look at these colors, which is absolutely beautiful. You get a whole row of like neutral tones, but you get like yellows, some oranges, reds. There's even some greens right here going on here. Like, I know for me, I don't really see too much foliage around the trees where I live, so I could kind of relate to the green and a little bit of yellow area. Another ColourPop palette. This is It's a Mood. Now I did repurchase it just because I felt like the custom made version I made me miss the original more. So I got rid of the one that had all the mix shades, and everything you see here is original from the website. So if I do a tutorial, it won't be any different than what you get from from ColourPop. So with this one, you get some, like a row of neutral oranges, and then you get some yellow and green in this row. Now the last palette is from Profusion, Marigold palette. And these are the colors. So I see a lot of mattes here, which could be good with mixing in different color tones. So there's like reds, a lot of yellows, and a neutral row here. Like a pop of orange right here. And then apparently in autumn season you do see pinks, and I think that has to do with some trees that bloom during this time. Fortunately mine came broken. I did buy it new, but the lid completely came broken when it shipped to me. So that is going to be it for this video. What are your favorite eyeshadow palettes to use during autumn season? I would love to know. I know I'm going to make it a goal to use these palettes on my channel soon. I think it's really fun to look back at what we own in our collection and just see if we end up really loving it. So May God bless always, my friend. You be safe, be healthy, be well. I love you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.